Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
All right. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm one of the business coaches here in Live Good. I'm a registered nurse by profession, a real estate broker as well, and I've been an entrepreneur for more than 24 years now. Okay, so yung passion ko is really good health, abundant wealth, and good relationship or great relationship. Before Live Good, napagdaanan ko na po lahat. Naging empleyado ako for 4 years, nag-OFW ako for another 4 years, and then, as I mentioned, I've been an entrepreneur for 24 years, 12 of which as real estate broker. Pagdaanan ko na po lahat, pero wala dun hindi ko dun nakita yung pagpapatupad ng mga pangarap ko. Yes, nakakabuhay siya ng pamilya. In fact, nakapagpag-graduate ako ng 3 anak doing all this. However, it's trading of time eh. So yung time mo yung tinetrade mo for money. Kaya yung pangarap mo, medyo na-shell off din. Okay? That's why I look for another options or another vehicle, and that's when I found Live Good. Moving forward, ito po, nag-rank up na tayo 3 times dito sa Live Good, and I'm now one of the speakers here in Live Good. And also, as I mentioned, I'm one of the business coaches as well. And I'm doing this full-time na. Bakit? Kasi dito ko po nakita yung chance na matupad yung mga pangarap ko, pangarap ng pamilya ko, at pangarap ko para sa ibang tao. Alright? Now, this presentation, actually, that's my story, but this presentation is not about me. This presentation is actually about you. Ikaw na nakikinig ngayon, kasi baka nakaka-relate ka dito sa mga to. You may be a single mom, hindi na nga magkasya yung sweldo mo or yung kinikita mo para sa mga gastusin nyo. Ang problema mo ngayon, paano mo pag-aaralin yung mga anak mo? Right? Or you may be an OFW na talagang nangungulila. I know this kasi I've been an OFW before. at pangungulila sa pamilya yung sinasacrifice nila para lang kumita ng maganda. And I'm telling you, yung pag-OFW, hindi rin ganun kagandahan yung kitaan, ano? Siguro swerte-swertihan lang din. But still, people are doing this to sacrifice for their family. Kaya dito talagang nangungulila, hindi lang yung umaalis, pati yung pamilyang naiiwan nila. Okay? O baka naman starting ka pa lang sa career mo, and when you received your first pay, dun mo nakita na overwork ka, underpaid, di ba? And as a young person, gusto mo may significance yung buhay mo, mapapasabi ka tuloy, hindi nga magkasya sa gastusin ko yung sweldo ko, significance pa. Or maybe you are at your golden age na. Either you're retiring or you're already retired. Pero alam mo na titigil na yung income mo, yet tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung gastusin. Saan ka ngayon didepend? Di ba? Sa government? Well, good luck. Kasi talagang hindi kasya yung pension na marireceive mo from your SSS or from GSIS. Right? And maybe sa family mo. But remember, they would have their own family to feed as well. Or wag naman sana, baka naman umasa ka sa charity. Okay? So if you can relate to any of these struggles, then Live Good is for you. Kasi si Live Good is the solution to all your struggles. So if you want to change your situation from the past slide na talagang yung mga tao mukhang miserable to these people in here, in this slide na talagang nakasmile with their family, having enjoying their life or living the life they want to live. Diba? If you want to change that, then do Live Good. Kasi Live Good is the only thing that's offering na hindi ino-offer ng ibang mga ways of earning. Ano yun? Passive income for life. Okay? Just to give you an idea, ano ba yung passive income? Passive income is an income derived with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Meaning, konting-konti na lang yung participation mo o minsan talagang hindi ka na nagpa-participate, yet income is coming. And that's the type of income that we all need. Kasi darating talaga yung time na magre-retire tayo at wala na tayong means para kumita actively. Kaya dapat tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung income kasi tuloy-tuloy naman talaga yung expenses, di ba? Alright? Now, baka naman sabihin mo, Mon, sinabi na yan ng ibang companies eh. Sabi mo, kakaiba to. Sabi mo, tanggalin ko na yung alam ko na yan attitude. Iba-iba yung maririnig ko. Narinig ko na yan before eh. So what makes Live Good different? Dito po, ito, sasabihin ko sa inyo, kung sa ibang company, you need to shell out mahal yung mga produkto nila. Dito, no more overpriced product. In fact, dito, bawal yung salitang mahal tsaka expensive. Dito, yung mga products natin, yan, yung mga nakikita nyo sa picture, they are of high quality, yet they're almost manufacturing price. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin ginawa yan. Taka dito, no more huge cash out to join. Usually sa huli ng presentation pinapakita to kasi kailangan ma-excite ka muna, ma-hype ka muna, tsaka sasabihin sa'yo, to join you need 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Di ba? Kung nabubuo na yung pangarap mo, biglang nalusaw nung narinig mo yung kung magkano magjo-join. Pero dito sasabihin ko na, to join Live Good, you only need $49.95. Magkano yan sa peso? Wala pa pong 3,000 pesos yan. Okay? At ang maganda niyan, yung $40 dyan, one time lang. Hindi mo na babayaran uli yan. Not even a year after, not every month. One time lang po yan. And because of that, wala na rin tayong huge monthly auto ship requirements. Dito, kailangan mo lang $9.95 monthly subscription. Ayan, binibigyan ko na kayo ng hint kung paano nagagawa ni Live Good. Because we are more into subscription. Tapos dito, no rank ups based on volume. In fact, napakadaling mag-rank up dito. Yung mga bagong sali dito, 36% of them rank up on their first week. Kaya yung mga invites natin, kung bago ka rito, nakikinig ka, you're still thinking, sasali ba ako? Think about it, 3,000 lang unang-una to join. Tapos pangalawa, it's only $9.95. Magkano yan? 580 pesos. Wala pang 20 pesos isang araw yan. And then pangatlo, in 1 week, pwedeng mabalik sa iyo yung $49.95 mo. Papakita ko sa iyo mamaya kung paano. Okay? So since we are not product-centered, there's no selling, no quota required. In fact, here, you buy what you want, when you want, if you want. Ganun lang po kasimple. Wala tayong pilitan bumili ng produkto dito. And no back to zero. Ito yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor kasi alam nila na lahat ng pinagpaguran nila this month, the following month, mawawala yan. And back to zero. Parang magsisimula uli sila from scratch. Okay, dito you'll be paid for all your effort. Lahat ng effort na ibinigay mo rito, provided it's successful, you will be compensated. Okay, so that's how Live Good differs. And to better explain it to you, I want you to watch this video by our CEO himself, who's very on hand on the business. Siya na mismo mag-i-explain sa inyo ano si Live Good, paano naiba si Live Good, at bakit mo kailangan sumali sa Live Good. Okay? So let's listen to Ben Glinsky, our CEO.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, the most exciting company in the industry today. And yes, talagang ang dami nang nakakaalam about Live Good. And people are really trusting and doing Live Good, sharing Live Good to many people. Okay? Yan, ganyan po na iba yung ating business. Talagang pinag-aralan siya. It's based on trends and we are adopting a different model, a different business model. Anong business model yon? It's a membership club. Okay?
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky.
Yan. Membership club. But Live Good is the membership club that pays. Yun yung kagandahan dyan. Kasi maraming membership club dyan eh. Pinakamagandang example si Amazon. Amazon started selling books in 1995. In 2000, they started selling more other products, more than books, di ba? And in 2005, doon sila nag-start ng kanilang membership. Okay? However, fast forward ngayon, meron silang over 200 million members paying their subscription as member of Amazon. Yet none of them receive a single cent from Amazon. Kasi hindi po nagbibigay ng compensation si Amazon. However, Live Good is different. Kasi Live Good, when we started in December 13, 2022, in-offer na kagad natin yung affiliate membership, whereby yung mga member pwede na po kagad kumita. Yes, we are a membership, pero we are a membership that pays. And one more thing, we offer only high-quality products. We're starting with health products. Kasi yan yung nakita natin kailangan ng buong mundo. Okay, nakita natin na after the COVID incident, talaga nakita natin that we need to be healthy. Alright? But mind you, marami pa pong padagdag na products dyan. Talagang yun po yung vision ng ating CEO na time will come, parang magiging department store or talagang online store of almost anything we need. At ang maganda niyan, it is going to be of top quality and it is going to be of affordable prices. And for that reason, talagang ang daming nagtitiwala kay Live Good. Over 1,150,000, nakakaya naman. It's actually 1,100,000 na as we speak. More than 1,100,000 paid members worldwide. Alright? So paano ba naiba yung membership na yan? Let me show you paano nga ba naging naiba yung membership. These are some examples of membership clubs. Okay, see YouTube Pro, for example. If you want to watch without advertisement, you have to pay $11.99 per month. And I'm telling you, people finds value. Gusto nila yung pag nanonood sila, walang ads na bigla-bigla na lang nagpa-pop up eh. Kaya they're willing to be a member, they're willing to pay their subscription. In fact, 30 million members po ang meron ng YouTube. Alright? Yan, si Amazon Prime, nabanggit ko kanina, $14.99. Ang binibigay lang nila same day delivery or free delivery sometimes. 'Di ba? 161 million members. Si Netflix, if you're familiar, I'm sure you're familiar with Netflix. Ito yung makakapanood ka ng mga movies, makakapag-binge watch ka ng mga shows na gusto mo. You also pay $9.99 or $15.49 or $19.99 per month. Depende dun sa pinili mong package. Netflix has over 232 million members. Si Sam's Club, para siyang discount store whereby the members can shop in their store at wholesale price. Magkano yan? $100 per year. 47 million members. Si Costco, the same. Actually, if I can compare Live Good with Costco, pinakamalapit na si Costco, no? Kasi si Costco, ganun din. They're offering their members an access dun sa mga products nila na talagang wholesale prices. Okay? And they have over 123 million members. Si Disney Plus, in pretty much like Netflix, yun nga lang, mga Disney shows yung mapapanood mo. $10.99 per month or $109.99 per year. 42 million members. Imagine that. The reason I'm telling you this, itong mga businesses na to, they're not giving compensation to their members. Sila lang yung singil ng singil dun sa mga members nila. But look at them grow. Millions and millions and millions of members ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Now, if you think na Live Good, ang dami na nung 1.1 million paid members sa ngayon, no. We're just starting kasi time will come, talaga lalagpasan natin tong 232 million members. Baka pwede pa natin doblehin yan. Baka umabot pa tayo ng 400 or even 500 million members. Right? Ganun po kalaki yung future natin dito sa Live Good. Now, if you think, baka naman maliit yung kitaan dyan kasi parang anliit ng mga subscription. Let me show you first kung magkano yung kinikita nitong mga companies na to. Pinakamaganda na siguro itong Zoom. Si Zoom kasi, it's also subscription. Kung hindi tayo nagbabayad ng Zoom natin, kanina pa tayo kinat off ni Zoom. However, since this is a paid Zoom, tuloy-tuloy lang to and we can actually accommodate more than 1,000 participants. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, for 100 participants, parang ang babayaran mo is around $10. Alright? Ang kinita ni Zoom for 1 year, $4.46 billion. Okay, si Netflix, nabanggit ko kanina, 238 million subscribers, kumita ng $31.6 billion. And then si Costco, 123 million subscribers or members, $4.2 billion. Dun sa subscription pa lang yan, dun sa membership fee pa lang nila yan. Ganyan po kalaki kumita ang mga membership club, ang mga subscription company. At ang maganda niyan, Live Good has adopted that business model. Kaya kung natatakot ka na mawawala si Live Good, hindi po mawawala si Live Good. Kasi darating yung time, Live Good will also be earning billions and billions of dollars. Alright? Now, Live Good was launched December 13, 2022 with exclusive buyers membership business model. Okay? Tapos, if you want to know, we're located in Jupiter, Florida, USA. Okay? So if you want to look for Live Good, dun tayo maghahanap. And if you want to look for legalities or documentations about Live Good, sa state of Florida din tayo maghahanap. And good thing, meron na tayong internet kasi makikita na natin yung mga documentations na yan when we visit the website of the state of Florida. In fact, ayan po, I took the liberty of downloading some documents I found just to show you na legit po yung ating company. Alright? So who are the people? Who are the brains behind Live Good? Ito po, let's meet the Live Good corporate team. Yung kanina, yung nagsalita dun sa video, it's none other than our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Maganda po kay Ben Glinsky, he has over 20 years of experience from being a distributor all the way up to becoming an owner. At talagang napaka-hands-on niya. And nasa puso niya talaga yung tumulong dun sa mga members ng kanyang companies. Alright? And then we have Lisa Goodkin and Ryan Goodkin, the Goodkin couples. Sila naman po yung more into our products. All right. Ryan is a director of product development, Doc Ryan Goodkin. He is actually a doctor of pharmacy. And si Lisa naman, Lisa is more of a wellness coach. Holistic yung dating niya. Sa product education naman siya, but she's not going to teach us only about the products. Even yung mga health habits like good exercise, proper sleeping, tinuturo po niyan. Ang maganda po dito, Doc Ryan himself mentioned na I don't formulate products to sell. I formulate product for me to use and for my family to use. Kaya benefit po sa atin yan kasi tayo, if we use the Live Good products, we're not only assured of its quality, but we are sure that it is also safe. Kasi wala naman taong magbibigay ng ikaka-harm ng mga family members nila, right? And then Nader Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. Nader is actually a legend in the industry. He has 30 years of experience already. 1998 pa lang po, nagtuturo na yan or nagtitrain na yan ng mga leaders sa industriya natin. He has seen it all, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting. Ang maganda niyan, when they all get together, kinreate si Live Good, tinanggal na po yung bad, ugly, and disgusting sa industriya. At yung good, lalo pa pong pinaganda. Now, these are the kind of leaders that we have. And true leadership creates true success. Kaya expect nyo na po, when you join Live Good, definitely, you're bound to succeed. Alright? And look at the Live Good mission, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. As you can see from the mission statement pa lang, very people-centered na yung ating company. Okay, kasi yung iba talagang they want to be the number one in the nutritional space, they want to be the number one in the network marketing space. Dito hindi, to help people yung ating mission. And that's what I call change. And it's time to make a change. Okay? Now, so if you already have an idea kung paano ba yan, so membership club tayo, di ba? And then yung pinaka-benefit natin as members paying our subscription is to have access to the products. High quality pero very affordable. Ano naman yung mga products na yan? As I mentioned kanina, we're starting with health products. Ito po, we have over 20 life-changing products. And if you use it, talagang magbabago yung buhay mo kasi magbabago yung health mo. Okay? And mababago rin yung finances mo. Kasi if you're already using other products, pag nag-shift ka sa Live Good, ang laki ng savings na matatanggap mo. Okay? Highest quality product, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet. Meaning kung saan siya magandang i-harvest, dun siya tinatanim. Planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. All made in USA, certified by GMP and USDA. Just to give you an idea, napakataas po ng standards niya mga certification bodies na yan. Hindi po basta-basta makakalusot yung any other companies. Pero Live Good po, certified. All our products are lab tested for purity and potency. And if we're not the only one, we're one of the few who offers a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. That's how much we trust our product. Okay? And I'm sure na wala pong nagre-return ng product kasi hindi nila nagustuhan. Right? Pero we're offering that guarantee. Iilan lang po. I'm not sure nga kung merong iba pero definitely Live Good is offering 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. At ang maganda nito, despite the high quality of those products, they are most affordable. Okay? Kasi at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Kasi yun yung tinatanggal natin dun sa industriya, yung mga high cost of products. Hindi mo naman masisisi yung ibang companies kasi yun yung nakagawaan nila. Price gouging. Meaning, kinakargan nila lahat ng mga kailangan nilang overhead nila, yung mga pambayad nila sa mga top earners nila, kinakarga nila doon sa price ng products nila. Kaya yung simpleng vitamins nila, you have to pay around $150 for that. tanggalin na po natin yun. Kasi sino nagsasuffer? Yung mga tao. Di ba? Sabi nga ni Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. And that's what we are trying to get rid of. That's why we adopted the membership club model so that we can offer the products at low prices. Alright? Ayan, kung makikita nyo sa illustration, parang si David and Goliath. Tayo si David, yung mga companies na nagpa-price gouging, sila si Goliath, and we're trying to put an end to that. Alright? Okay, so these are the products that we have. So nakita nyo naman, yes, we're starting with health products, yet padagdag lang po ng padagdag. In fact, meron tayong mga shirts, mga cups, right? Now, you might be saying, kanina ka pa low prices, baka naman ikaw lang ang nagsasabing mababa yung presyo nyo. Okay, let's compare the prices of other brands. Ito yung, for example, our essential oils. Yung essential oils natin, talagang sikat na sikat yan. Sikat na sikat yan ngayon kasi talagang therapeutic yung dating niya. Yung Young Living and doTERRA, yan yung mga brands that are offering companies that are offering essential oils as well. Look at their prices, $252. Yung pack of 6, $209. Tignan nyo sa atin, $49.95. In fact, minsan yung isang essential oil alone will cost $89 sa ibang company. Sa atin, 6 na, $49.95 lang. Alright? Si Super Greens, ang pinakamalapit nating competitor dyan, but rather pinakamalapit na brand compared to our Super Greens, yet our Super Greens is superior quality, si Organifi tsaka si Athletic Greens. Look at their prices, $99.99, $69.69. Yung Super Greens natin, if you're a member, you can get it for $18. Are you seeing the savings? Are you seeing the savings? So kung talagang user ka na ng Athletic Greens, edi might as well use Super Greens. Better quality, most affordable price. Diba? And all you need to do is become a member of Live Good. Collagen peptides. Okay, ito maganda. Sa ibang companies kasi they're only offering collagen dun sa mga products nila. Pero look at the price, $79.96, $69.95. Yung collagen natin, yung ating genius na product formulator na si Doc Ryan, dinagdagan pa ng 3 ingredients that would complement the effect of collagen to our body. But look at the price, $27.95. Ang laking difference. You can save up to 70%. Okay, if you're more into workout, ito naman yung bagay sa'yo. Yung creatine plus HMB. Yung ibang products, $48.99. $65. Sa atin, $19.95. Ganyan po kababa mag-price ang Live Good. Okay? Ang maganda nito, even if you're not a member or you just want to try the products, you can still buy our products na mas mababa pa rin compared to other brands. Pero mas mababa pa rin if you become a member. Okay, ito yung example natin. Our Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men and women. Siyempre, magkaiba naman yung physiological needs ng men tsaka women. So, pareho silang meron. Retail price natin dyan, $14.95. Members price, $9.95. Difference, $5. So, kung mag-asawa kayo, each of you will buy the vitamins, nakasave kayo ng $10, di ba? So, pasok na kaagad dun sa subscription na kailangan mo. Kasi ang subscription dito, $9.95 lang eh. Di ba? Na-mention ko kanina. And then what else? Healthy Organic Weight Management Coffee with Mushrooms. Kung gusto nyo medyo mag-weight loss dyan, yes, bagay na bagay sa inyo to. Members, retail price, $24.95. Members price, $17.95. Difference, $7. Konti na lang ang idadagdag mo, bayad mo na yung subscription mo. Pero compare mo yung brand, yung coffee natin to other brands, nako, ang mahal. Ang mahal mo mabibili yung mga kape nila. Ultra Magnesium Complex. Okay, trivia. Did you know that over 300 chemical reactions that are taking place in our body is caused by magnesium? So if there's something wrong with your body, most likely you lack magnesium. Hooray? Retail price, $14.95. Members price, $8.95. Imagine that. Ganon kababa. Ganon kalaki yung matitipid mo when you become a member. In fact, when you're not a member and you buy from Live Good, malaki na yung matitipid mo. E di mag-member ka na para mas malaki yung matipid mo. CBD oil for pets. Kung medyo yung pet nyo may anxiety, pwede natin bigyan to. However, right now, hindi pa available sa Philippines. Retail price, $19.95. Members price, $14. Now, D3K2. Did you know, again, trivia, did you know na yung mga naapektuhan ng COVID, they lack vitamin D? Kaya napansin nyo, pag may COVID sila, pinapaarawan sila ng doktor. Now, si Keto naman, ang maganda niyan, tinatanggal niya yung calcium sa bloodstream mo, nilalagay sa bone. So, pinapaganda na yung blood circulation mo, pinapalakas pa yung buto mo. Di ba? Ang gandang combination. Retail price, $13.95. Members price, $8.50. Right? Now, if I'm going to promote a product or a package of product, I will be promoting this, the International Wellness Pack. Bakit? Kasi 6 na produkto na po yan. And it's only for retail. Retail price of $129.95. Pero pag member ka, it's only $89.95. At ang kagandahan nito, kahit nasan ka sa mundo, it's free shipping. So even if this is coming from Germany or from US, pag pinadala sa iyo, ang babayaran mo lang kung magkano yung presyo, which is $89.95 if you're a member. Alright? Di ba ang ganda? May multivitamins ka na, may super greens ka na, may super reds ka na. Super reds naman, more of the circulation din yan, blood circulation din yan. Factor 4, anti-inflammatory yan. Napakaganda po niyan. 4 na anti-inflammation products pinagsama-sama dyan. D3K2 and Ultra Magnesium. Ang ganda po niyan. I'm actually ordering this talagang on a regular basis. And we don't we try to make sure na hindi kami nag-run out nitong International Wellness Pack. So as Live Good members, you save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Ganun na po yung ginagawa natin talaga. Binabagsak po natin yung presyo ng ating mga products so that the members would enjoy. And we started with 15. When we launched in December, we only started with 15 products. And then in the whole run of 2023, ito na po yung mga nadagdag na products. Imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in span of 1 year. And all of these products went under talagang research and development, pinag-aaralan po yan. They are of high quality, highest quality pa rin po yung mga yan. And most affordable prices. And recently, dinagdag natin yung essential oils na nabanggit ko kanina. Di ba? Look at the pricing, the price difference. Talagang you'll save up to 80%. Alright? Now, those are the Live Good products. Those are actually some of the Live Good products. But if you want to learn more about Live Good, you just have to go to livegood.com. Tapos i-press nyo yung shop or yung products. Tapos each product merong learn more button. I-click nyo lang yon, talagang mababrowse nyo po yan. Okay? Actually, if you register, pwede nyong i-access yan na sarili nyo na. Alright? So, how do you become a member? Kasi nakita ko, mas mababa nga naman yung retail price compared to other brands. Tapos mas mababa pa yung member's price. Eh, gusto ko na mag-member. So, if you want to become a member, just register with your sponsor's link. Sino yung sponsor mo? Yung nagbigay sa'yo ng link nitong Zoom na to. That's why you're listening to this presentation because somebody cared for you and gave you and shared you Live Good. Balikan mo siya, hingin mo yung sponsor's link niya, doon ka mag-register with your name and email, and then doon ka na rin magbayad ng $9.95 mo. That's so that you become a member. Now, kung gusto mong mas magkaroon pa ng further discount, you pay for the whole year, $99.95 lang, para naka-discount ka ng 2 buwan. And when you become a member, you can actually buy the products at almost manufacturing price nga. Alright? Siguro naman tatanungin, Mon, asa na yung pagpapatupad ng pangarap dyan? Are you just talking about discount of products? Well, if you want to earn more, in fact, here, would you like to earn up to 2,000 or more per month? Yun yung tanungan dito. Kasi if you're interested in earning 2,000 or more per month, Huwag mo kakalimutan yung or more tsaka per month kasi ganyan po yung posibleng mangyari talaga sa inyo dito. For those who are interested, stay tuned until the end of the presentation kasi ngayon po, kung medyo distracted kayo kanina, tanggalin nyo na yung mga distraction nyo kasi pag-uusapan na natin dito kung paano kumita sa Live Good. Alright? Now, if you want this, all you need to do is join our affiliate program. Ano ba yung affiliate program na yan? Just to give you an idea, si Live Good po kasi hindi siya nagpo-promote, nag-advertise on TV, on radio, on movies, on billboards, not even on magazines or internet. However, as a company, kailangan makilala siya ng maraming tao. Doon po pumapasok yung mga affiliate members. Tayo po, through word of mouth, tayo magpo-promote kay Live Good doon sa mga kakilala natin. Alright? And as Live Good affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, if I would term it, the most generous compensation plan in the industry. Okay? So just to sum it up lang, first you have to join, become an affiliate member. Then you have to promote. Ano yung promotion na yan? Does that mean kailangan mag-create ako ng ads? Hindi po. Word of mouth din po. Ikikwento mo lang po kung ano yung benefits na natanggap mo as member of Live Good. Ano yung benefits mo dun sa products ng Live Good or ano yung kinikita mo na, yung pagbabago sa buhay mo. Okay? You share that to many people and when you successfully refer people to the program, that's the time you start earning. Yan po yung affiliate marketing ng Live Good. Alright, so how do you become an affiliate member? Simple lang po. Balikan nyo uli yung nag-invite sa inyo dito, hingin nyo yung sponsors link niya, and then registered under their sponsors link with your name and email. And then, dun nyo na rin po tuloy-tuloy yung pagbabayad of $40. Yan yung affiliate fee natin na one time lang plus the $9.95 member subscription. Okay, so total of $49.95. Yan yung mention ko kanina nung start ng ating presentation. Wala pa pong 3,000 pesos yan. Alright? And then the following month, since one time lang si $40, $9.95 na lang yung babayaran mo monthly. That is if you are on the monthly subscription. Kung gusto mo maka-discount, pwede mo naman bayaran $99.95 for the whole year. Alright? So what do you get? Ito, common na tanong to. What do I get when I give 49 or when I pay $49.95? Kasi yung iba, sanay na nakakatanggap ng products. Pero dito po, yung pinaka-product natin is the membership club. Okay? That's the reason why when you pay $49.95, una, since nagbayad ka ng subscription, you have an access to the membership club whereby you will get the high-quality, precision-grade health products at the most affordable prices. Kung ano yung mga ino-offer ni Live Good, may access na po kayo at the most affordable prices. And then you'll also have digital marketing products kasi alam ni Live Good that you would be promoting Live Good to other people. So they'll give you a tool. Yan po yung tinatawag nating digital marketing products. And then you get to participate in the most generous compensation plan in the industry right now. How do you get paid? You get paid via direct deposit, iPayout, or BitPay kung marunong kayo mag-Bitcoin. Or dito sa Philippines, we actually get paid through our credit wallet and then we do peer-to-peer transaction. Pwede nyo pong tanungin yung nag-invite sa inyo kung paano yon. Alright? Now, to show you the digital marketing products that you would receive, eto po yan. Actually, when I joined, tatlo lang yan eh. Yung livegood.com, yung livegoodtour.com, tsaka yung shoplivegood.com. Pero ngayon, meron na rin mga product pages. Madaliin ko lang pong isa-isahin. Yung livegood.com/username, yan po yung inyong business site. Diyan nyo po makikita yung movement sa business nyo. Di ba sabi ko magre-refer kayo ng tao? Diyan nyo makikita yung mga taong na-refer nyo. Tapos yung mga na-refer nyo, if they refer people, diyan nyo rin makikita yung mga taong na-refer nung na-refer nyo. Tsaka yung mga taong na-refer nung na-refer nyo. Bakit importante po yan? Kasi dito sa Live Good, hindi lang po kayo babayaran sa effort nyo. You would be leveraging on the effort of the people you bring in the business. Diyan din po natin makikita yung ating earnings. At ang maganda po niyan, username and password protected po yan. So safe tayo dyan. Kahit nakikita yung earnings, tayo lang po ang makakakita niyan. Just make sure natatandaan nyo yung username and password nyo. Okay? Ito namang livegoodtour.com/username, yan naman po yung ating tinatawag na sponsors link. Pag nag-invite kayo dito at naging interesado, dyan mo po sila pagre-registerin para mapunta po sa organization nyo. Alright? Now, pag pinrest nila yung reserve my position now, dyan na rin po, i-redirect na rin po siya dun sa payment facilities ni Livegood. So, everything is already online. Alright? Now, if you have friends na ayaw mag-member yet want to buy the products, ito naman yung ipapadala mo. shoplivegood.com/your username. Kasi dito po, ang makikita nila yung mga retail prices. Yes, mas mababa yung retail price natin as compared to other brands. Pero definitely, mas mababa pa rin si members price. However, gusto nilang bumili at retail price, go ahead, give them this para po yung Shopee tsaka Lazada pero under your name. At saka yung mga products na ino-offer is our Livegood products lang. So dropshipping yan. Diyan sila mag-order, diyan sila magbabayad, si Livegood na magpapack, si Livegood ang mag-ship. Hihintayin mo na lang yung commission mo kasi meron din tayong commission sa mga retail sales. Okay, so we also have other product pages like we have one for Super Reds and one for Super Greens. And I believe coming soon, magkakaroon din tayo ng isa for Magnesium. Alright? So those are the tools you can use to earn through subscription. So your question maybe is how to make money in subscription. Kasi nga nakita mo, parang ang liit ng kitaan. Well, let me burst your bubbles and show you how to earn money here. Okay? Again, tanggalin nyo na yung mga distractions sa paligid nyo. Makinig kayo maigi kasi kitaan na yung pag-uusapan natin. Now, here in Livegood, we have to remember two specific structures. Okay? One is the unilevel structure. The other one is force matrix. Ano ba yung unilevel? Sabi ko kanina, di ba, magre-refer ka ng tao dito. So lahat ng successfully mare-refer mo, they would fall on your level 1. And when they do the business, lahat ng mga mare-refer nila, they would fall on your level 2. And then yung mare-refer nung na-refer nila, they would fall on your level 3. And then if that continues all the way up to level 10. Bakit level 10? Because you will be paid up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Ang kagandahan nito, unlimited po yung pwede nating i-invite dito sa Livegood. Wala po tayong flash out na tinatawag. You can invite as many as you want. If you want to invite 10, 100, 1,000, bahala po kayo. Hindi po kayo pipigilan ni Livegood. And for every person na marirefer natin sa Livegood, we will be compensated. From their effort, mako-compensate din tayo depending on our rank. Alright? Now, ano naman yung force matrix na yan? Force matrix it's what we call the 2x15 matrix. Bakit 2x15? Okay, first, pag nag-join tayo dito, we will have our own matrix. Okay? Pero pag nag-join tayo, we would also belong to a bigger matrix, meaning may mga tao sa taas natin. And dun sa matrix, dalawa lang po ang pwedeng makabit sa atin. Alright? Baka tanong nyo, Mon, sabi mo kanina, unlimited yung pwede naming invite, tapos dalawa lang yung mapapa-under sa amin. Sa matrix po, ganon. Ang mangyayari niyan, yung first na na-invite mong dalawa will be connected to you. Ano mangyayari dun sa, let's say, I invited 6, tapos 6 successful referral. Ano mangyayari dun sa 4? Yung 4 po will be connected dun sa mga taong na-invite nyo. Yung unang 2 taong nakabit sa inyo, doon na ilalagay yan. Kasi hanggang 2 lang po yung pwedeng ikabit sa atin. Ang tawag po natin doon is spillover. Now, it is also possible na ikaw makatanggap ng spillovers kasi may mga tao pa sa taas mo. Okay, bakit 2x15? Kasi parang power of 2 lang po yun. Our level 1 is 2, tapos yung 2 kinabitan ng Tagalawas, so that's 4, and then 8, 16, 32, 64, multiples of 2, all the way to levels 15. Bakit? Because we get to be paid up to 15 levels deep depending on our rank. Okay? So tandaan niyo po yan, dalawang structure na yan because these are two very important structures. Bakit siya importante? because dyan po i-compute yung ating compensation. Here in Live Good, we have 8 ways to earn. The weekly fast start and the retail commission, pati yung ating customer acquisition bonus, i-determine yan using the uni-level structure. Yung ating namang matrix commission, which is released monthly, i-determine yan using the force matrix. Ngayon kung mapapansin nyo sa screen nyo, meron nasa gitna yung matching bonus kasi hybrid yan. Kinumbine yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix para makompute yan. Napakagandang compensation po niyang matrix bonus na yan. Kaya pakinggan nyo mamaya pag yan na yung dinidiscuss ko. Okay, meron pa rin tayong influencers bonus, diamond bonus pool, tsaka crown diamond bonus pool. Isa-isahin natin yan. Let's start with the quick money as I call it, or the fast start bonus. The fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid the $49.95. Remember, when you become an affiliate member, nagbayad ka ng $49.95, di ba? And then you started promoting Live Good to your friends. If you have successful referrals, let's say for example, itong nakikita nyo sa screen, may 4 na successful referrals ka. Every successful referral may $25 ka. So just think about it. Makadalawa ka lang, bawiin mo na yung $49.95 mo kasi 25 plus 25, 50, di ba? So bawiin mo na yung $49.95 mo. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina sa start, 36% ng mga newly joined talagang they get promoted and they earn their money back in a short as 1 week. Kasi kayang-kaya naman talaga mag-invite ng 2 in 1 week, di ba? Eh dito nga sa example, 4. So ang kinita niya for the fast start bonus is $100. At ang maganda nito, kasi yan, effort mo yan. Now, when the people you bring in the business started doing the business as well, you can still leverage on their effort. How? By ranking up or by being promoted to higher ranks. Kasi when you become bronze, you get to enjoy up to level 2. Sino yung level 2? Yan yung mga nirefer nung nirefer mo. Diba? Paano maging bronze? Kumuha ka lang po ng 2. Pag nakakuha ka ng 2, if you have 2 successful referrals here in Live Good, you'll be promoted to bronze. Okay? Now, if you successfully refer more people and they do the business with you, then you would be ranking up or you'll be promoted to higher ranks. When you become silver, you get to enjoy up to levels 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka, up to levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to levels 7 and 8. Pag nag-diamond ka, ikaw lang ang mag-enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. Alright? Kaya dito po, hindi lang sa effort nyo kayo mako-compensate. If you're really sharing the business to people, mako-compensate ka even on their effort. Alright. So that's our fast start bonus. Ano naman yung matrix commission? Ang tawag ko actually dito is retirement income. Okay? Kasi dito, medyo maghihintay ka. Remember yung force matrix natin whereby ikaw lalagyan ng 2, tapos yung 2 mo lalagyan ng 2. By the way, system assigned nga pala yan ha. So hindi mo pwedeng ipangako dun sa mga nare-refer mo dito or sa mga na-sponsor mo dito na ikaw lalagay ko sa left, ikaw lalagay ko sa right. Hindi po. Depende po kung sino yung naunang mag-register. Alright? Kung sino yung naunang mag-register tsaka naunang nagbayad, yun po yung ipipiliin ni system. So hindi po natin pwedeng ipangako yung mga positions nila. Anyway, whether galing sa iyo or galing dun sa nasa taas mo na spillover sa iyo or effort ng mga napunta dun sa matrix mo, basta may pumasok na tao dun sa matrix mo, you will be paid 25 cents. 25 cents for every person who will actively, for every active member who would fall in your matrix, who will pay their $9.95 subscription. Alright? Is that clear? So, ganun lang po yan. Basta may pumasok sa matrix mo, may 25 cents ka. Okay? Kaya dito, medyo maghihintay ka talaga. You have to be patient. Kasi retirement money nga ang tawag namin dito eh. First you subscribe, then you wait, and then you'll earn. Alright? Because in fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person because of the auto spillover. However, hindi namin inaano to. Hindi namin to nire-recommend actually. Hindi namin pinopromote to. Kasi dito talagang maghihintay ka. And ang maganda sa Live Good, if you do the business, you will be compensated more. However, just to show you, no, ang yung mga hindi nakakapag-enroll kasi dito or isa lang yung na-enroll, ang tawag namin dyan unranked. Wala pa silang promotion. If you are unranked, you get to enjoy up to level 12. Ilang tao yan pag napuno? So let's say ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, all the way up to level 12. Pag napuno po yan, aabot po ng 8,109 people in your matrix times 25 cents. That's where the $2,047.50 is coming from. So whether nakapag-enroll ka, whether kung hindi ka man nakapag-enroll ng kahit isang tao, posible ka pa rin kumita ng up to $2,047.50. In fact, hindi mo kailangan hintayin mapuno yung matrix mo bago ka mag-start mag-earn. Magkaroon lang ng isang tao, may 25 cents ka. Dalawa, 50 cents. Apat, $1 na yung matatanggap mo. Pag may 40 na sa ilalim mo, you're already receiving $10. So para self-paying na yung business mo. Kasi yung pambayad mo ng subscription, kinikita mo na lang, kinukuha mo na lang dun sa kinikita mo. And it just keeps on growing. Alright? Now, ang tanong mo siguro, kailan mapupuno yan? I really don't know. But if I were you, I'll start promoting Live Good to my friends. Kasi the moment I start, I sponsor 2 people, I become bronze. And when that happens, I get to enjoy up to level 13 of the matrix. Magkano na yon? Pag tinotal mo yon, umaabot ng $4,095.50. That's for bronze and silver. Tapos if I continue to do the business, I get promoted to golden or platinum, you get to enjoy up to level 14. That's $8,191.50 pag puno na yung matrix nyo. And if you become diamond, you get to enjoy up to level 15. That's $16,383.50. That's 900,000 pesos monthly income in your matrix alone as diamond. That is if puno na yung matrix mo. Kung kailan mapupuno yan, hindi ko po alam. Kaya nga po, patience. You have to wait. Kung talagang hindi kayo nagpo-promote or if you're not doing the business. However, if you're doing the business, pakita ko sa inyo, simple lang para mapuno yan. You just get to. How hard is it to get to? And then you help that to get to. And then you teach them to help yung mga kinuha nila to get to. And then repeat the cycle lang. That's the fastest way to build your matrix. Kasi ganito ang mangyayari sa matrix mo. Let's say, lahat ng papasok sa organization mo, kukuha ng tagalawa lang. No more, no less. Dalawa lang. Okay? Unang-una, lahat kayo bronze. Definitely, di ba? So let's say for example, ito yan. On the first week, ikaw lang mag-isa. And then, kumuha ka ng dalawa para mabawi. Unang-una, mababawi mo yung $50 or $49.95 mo. Pangalawa, magiging bronze ka. You get to enjoy up to level 13 of the matrix. And then, ang ginawa mo lang, tinuruan mo yung dalawa. Oh, this week, kumuha kayo ng tagalawa para mabawi nyo yung $49.95 nyo. And at the same time, magiging bronze kayo. So, ginawa. Kumuha ng tagalawa. So, nadagdagan ng 4 yung organization nyo. Tapos, sinabi mo dun sa dalawang kinausap mo, oh, turuan mo yung dalawang kinuha mo na kumuha rin ng tagalawa para tuloy-tuloy tayo. Lahat ng pumapasok sa atin, may kumukuha ng tagalawa. So this is what will happen. So una, ikaw lang, and then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. On the 12th week pa lang, kung halimbawa weekly nangyari to, puno na po yung 8,190 people in your matrix. That means you'll be receiving the 2,047.50 matrix income already. Eh since nag-bronze ka na, up to level 13 ka, on the 13th week pa lang po, puno yung bronze matrix nyo, which is level 13. Meaning, kumikita ka na ng $4,095.50 sa matrix income mo. Alright? Ganyan lang po. Dalawa lang po nakukuha rin ng tagalawa. Kaya let's make it a culture in our organization na lahat ng papasok kukuha ng tagalawa, tapos yung kukunin nilang dalawa tuturuan nila na kumuha rin ng Tagalawa on their first week. And this is what will happen to your matrix. Now, if you get more people and you get promoted to higher ranks, mabot ka ng diamond, just imagine this, in less than 15 weeks or 15 cycles, puno na kagad yung matrix mo. Alright? So that's our monthly matrix income. Kung medyo nalalakihan kayo dyan, pati dun sa fast start bonus, ito pakinggan nyo, yung ating matching bonus. Ang tawag namin dito, wealthy money. Alright? Now, di ba lahat tayo magkakaroon ng kanya-kanyang matrix dito? So lahat yung na-invite mo, they would have their own matrix as well. If they have their own matrix, they would have their own matrix income as well. They would be receiving the full matrix income. Ang kagandahan nito, since ikaw ang nag-invite sa kanila, ikaw yung rason kaya alam nila si Live Good and they're doing the Live Good business because you're the reason bibigyan ka ni Live Good ng compensation or bonus for doing that. 50% kung magkano yung matrix income niya. So let's say for example, 4 yung na-refer mo rito, si A, B, si C, tsaka si D. Si A kumikita na ng 1,000 doon sa matrix niya kasi nagsipag siya. Meron kang 500. Si B kumikita ng 500, meron kang 250. Si C 100 na yung kinikita, meron ka pa ring 50. Si D 200 yung kinikita, may 100 ka. So nakita nyo, parang na multiple times ngayon yung inyong matrix simply because nag-invite kayo ng people to join you as an affiliate member as well. Alright? Ganyan po kalaki yung matrix income, yung matching bonus na yan. And mind you, it doesn't stop there. Kasi when you rank up or when you get promoted to higher ranks, you get to enjoy generation bonuses. Meaning, when you become silver, you get to enjoy up to second generation. 10% each yan. Pag nag-gold ka up to third generation, 5% each. Pag nag-platinum ka up to fourth generation, 5% din. And then pag nag-diamond ka, up to fifth generation yung ma-enjoy mo, 3% each. Meaning, dun sa direct mo, makaka 50% ka, di ba? Nung kanyang matrix. Dun sa mga people under him, you can actually earn up to additional 23%. Kasi 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 if you're already a diamond. Alright? Let me show you in monetary value. Paano ba yan? How does that generation income work? So let's say for example, nakasponsor ka ng 10 tao. So there are 10 people in your matrix. Kunyari na lang, $100 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. Ang liit na niyan ha, dun sa potential matrix income, sumabot ng $2,000. Yung unranked pa lang yon. So let's say 100 na lang yung kanilang matrix income. May 50% ka kasi direct mo, that's $50. Eh 10 sila, that's $500. Ngayon yung 10 kinuha mo, decided to follow you at kumuha rin ng tag 10. That's an additional 100 in your team. That's already your second generation and you're already a silver by then. Actually, gold ka na yan. Pero let's say, for example, that's your second generation silver. Now, each of these 100 people is already earning $100 in their matrix. Meron ka pa ring 10%. That's $10. Eh, 100 sila. That's $1,000 for you. Okay? Now, yung 100 na yan, nag-invite ng 10, naging 1,000, additional 1,000 in your matrix, in your organization, sorry, and that's already your third generation. Gold ka na yan. Let's say, for example, $50 na lang yung kinikita nila sa matrix nila, may 5% ka pa, that's $250, eh 1,000 sila. That's 2,500 additional for you. Yung 1,000, nag-invite ng tag-5 na lang kunyari. That's an additional 5,000 people in your organization. Each earning $50 na lang in their matrix. 5% pa rin sa'yo, $2.50. Times 5,000 kasi 5,000 heads yun. That's 12,500 people. And yung 5,000, nag-invite pa ng tag-5. That's an additional 25,000 in your team. You're already a diamond by then, so you get to enjoy up to 5th generation. Each earning $30 na lang in their matrix. You get 3% pa rin. That's only 90 cents. However, there are 25,000 people to whom you are matching this. So that's a total of $22,500. pag sinuma total nyo yan, naaabot ng 39,000 yung matching bonus nyo. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, pag ito na dinidiscuss ko, makinig kayo maigi kasi ito yung magpapayaman sa inyo, ito yung magpapatupad ng pangarap nyo. Mon, theoretical lang yata yan eh. Posible bang mangyari yan? Alright. To answer that, I want to show you an actual earning. Okay, but before I do that, I want you to know na kung kinaya ng isang tao kumita ng ganito, you, if you're not an affiliate yet, become an affiliate member at kakayanin mo rin kitain to. Alright? Depende sa sipag mo. Okay, pakita ko na. Malapit na mag-June. So this was June last year. So definitely nag-accumulate na yan. Mas lalo pang tumaas yan. Yung matrix niya, 1,388. But look at the matching bonus. Umabot na po ng $12,367. 12 times more nung kanyang matrix. Diba? Talagang, and ang ginawa niya lang talaga is continuously nagpo-promote siya ng Live Good to many people. Nagdadala siya ng tao to become affiliate members of Live Good. In fact, nung time na yan, diamond na siya kasi meron na siyang diamond bonus pool. Hindi ko pa dinidiscuss pero siya meron na. Alright? Now, nung July, this is another example. In July, meron $1,299 matrix bonus. Yung matching bonus, look at the matching bonus, 44,810. That's 44 times more than the matrix bonus. Talagang tuto pa rin yung pangarap mo with 44,000 members. 'Di ba? Kasi ang dami niyang na sponsor na tao dito. Kaya ang laki ng kanyang matching bonuses. Okay, at this point, crown diamond na siya actually kasi umabot na ng 24,000 yung kanyang diamond bonus pool. I-discuss ko yan maya-maya. So that's how important it is for you to share the business to many people. So let's say for example, 20 na lang. 20 na lang yung direct referral mo dito. Each of them, let's say yung 20, talagang hindi nakapag-refer. So lahat sila unranked. But time came, let's say after 5 years or even after 5 years, let's say for example, napuno yung matrix nilang lahat. So each of them receiving 2,047 in their matrix income. May matching ka 50%. Let's talk about the 50% na lang. Wag na yung generation bonus. May 50% ka, that's $1,023.75. 20 sila. So meron kang $20,475. Monthly income na po yan. Kasi monthly naman nagbabayad ng mga subscription nila yan eh. Why? Because they receive benefits. Diba? Yung high quality products, very affordable prices, and most likely, since affiliate members din sila, meron din sila mga matrix income nga. So tuloy-tuloy lang silang magbabayad. Magkano po yan? That's 1.1 million pesos monthly income. Kung ganyan na po income nyo buwan-buwan, talagang matutupad na lahat ng pangarap nyo. Malamang lahat ng utang nyo, nabayaran nyo na rin. At hindi na kayo umutang. Lahat ng binibili nyo, binabayaran nyo in cash. Alright? So what if you have 30 directs? This time, nagsipag yung directs mo, tapos kumikita na sila ng 6,000 sa kanilang matrix income. Meron kang 50%, that's 3,000, 30 sila. That's $90,000 for you. That's 5 million pesos monthly income. At this point, hindi lang yung pangarap mo natupad mo, pangarap ng pamilya mo, pangarap ng mga anak mo, kung saan nila gusto mag-aral, whether sa exclusive school here in the Philippines or even abroad, kaya mo nang gawin. Diba? Pati siguro pangarap ng biyanan mo, tsaka ng mga kamag-anak ng misis mo, natupad mo na rin. Malaki yan 5 million a month. Alright? But there would be people na talagang sasabihin sa'yo, sige Mon, magjo-join ako sa'yo pero hindi ko gagawin yung business. Ako tinatanggap ko sila. Pero I try to convince them, or not try to convince them, but I suggest to them na dalhin nila yung dalawang family members nila. Bakit? Unang-una, magpo-promote sila to broads. Now, pag napuno yung matrix income nila, yung matrix nila, aabot ng 4,095.50 yung matrix nila. Tapos, yung dalawang family member nila, let's say, unrank yan, dalawang yan, each of them will be receiving 2,047.50. That's 4,095 total. Dalawa may 50% matching ka, that's 2,047.50. So magiging family income nung kaibigan mo would be $10,238 or 500,000 pesos monthly income. Kalahating milyon po yan. Buwan-buwan niyang kikitain. Simply because dinala niya yung dalawang pamilya niya. Definitely pasasalamatan ka niyan. Kasi instead of 100,000 lang yung kinikita niya, naging kalahating milyon. Alright? But here in DMW, dream makers worldwide, mga dream makers nga tayo. So tayo mismo may mga dreams din. And one of our vision or our dream is to have 100 solid direct referrals. Ano ibig sabihin ng solid direct referrals? Meaning, if I want to be diamonds, I would have 100 directs who would also want to be diamonds. And one day, we would all be diamonds. So this is what will happen. Pag napuno na yung matrix namin, eventually, aabot na po ng 16,383.50 yung aming matrix income. Meron akong 50% sa kanila. 100 sila. That's 8,191.75 each. That's $819,175. That's a total of $45 million. Before you joined Live Good, problema mo pera, saan kukunin? After you become diamond and after you have 100 solid direct referrals, problema mo pa rin pera, paano gagastusin? Diba? At this point, kaya mo na po talagang mag-support ng church, mag-put up ng talagang foundation for yourself na makakatulong sa maraming tao. You can actually support your own community. Ganyan po kaganda ang Live Good. Hindi lang ikaw ang i-bless, pati yung mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo i-bless. Pati yung church mo, pati yung community where you live will be blessed as well. Alright. Pero ito po, mangyayari yan if you are referring people and if you are ranking up. So I would really suggest for you to rank up. So how do you rank up the most simplest way? Kung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung get to, help to, repeat, that's the simplest way to fill your matrix. If the simplest way to get promoted is to get 3 and help 3 and then repeat. Okay? Kasi ganito ang mangyayari dyan. Let's say una, ikaw lang. Tapos kumuha ka ng 3, that's an additional 3 in your organization. And then yung 3 kinuha mo, tinuruan mong kumuha ng 3 sa additional 9. And then they're the ones who taught na nagturo dun sa 9 na nakuha nila. That's 27. And then 81, 243, 729. On the 7th week pa lang po, diamond ka na. Kasi umaabot na ng 3,279 people in your matrix or in your organization. And you only need 2,500 active members to become diamond. On the 10th cycle or say weekly mangyari yan, on the 10th week pa lang po, crown diamond ka na. Kasi kailangan lang natin ng 50,000 active members to become crown diamonds. You already have 88,572 active members in your organization. Napakabilis naman nun, weekly. O sige, gawin nating monthly. On the 10th month, wala pa pong 1 taon, crown diamond ka na. Parang ang bilis pa rin. O sige, gawin nating every 2 months. Wala pa pong 2 taon. 20 months, 20 months after, wala pa pong 2 years, crown diamond ka na. So no matter how you make it, how do you do it, no matter how fast or how slow you do it, the key is duplication. The key, of course, is to bring people in. Bring leaders in. Bring people who will do the business with you. Bring people who will duplicate you. Kung ano yung ginawa mo, gagawin din nila. In fact, here in DMW, we are teaching power of 5. Instead of just getting 3, kunin mo 5 para talagang stable yung organization mo. Look for 5 leaders who would also look for 5 leaders. If you want to learn more about this, meron po tayong YouTube tutorial dyan. Hanapin nyo na lang po. Alright? Or you can ask the person who invited you, turuan mo ko ng power of 5. I want to do that myself. Alright? So ganyan po kalaki yan. Ganyan po kalaki yung ating matching bonus, mga income dito. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos dyan kasi meron pa rin tayong tinatawag na retail commission. Ano naman yung retail commission? Remember kanina pinakita ko kayo ng retail price and members price. Yung difference ng retail price and members price, 50% nun will be your commission when somebody orders from your shoplivgood.com site at retail price. Alright? So 50% yung sa'yo. Okay? And if you rank up, you get to enjoy up to 10 levels deep para lang po yung fast start bonus. Now, meron pa po tayong tinatawag na influencer bonus. Baka kasi influencer ka na, sikat ka na sa TikTok or sa YouTube, marami ka ng follower. At pag yung mga followers mo decided to buy products at retail and your monthly retail sales increased, umabot ng 2,500. Yung 50% na binibigay sa'yo, dadagdagan pa ng 10%, making it 60. And as it increased even more, hanggang sa umabot siya ng 50,000, ibibigay na po sa inyo ng buo yung difference ng retail price tsaka members price. Ganun po kagalante ang ating kumpanya. Alright? You get to enjoy up to 100% of the difference between members price and retail price. Ito, bagong-bago po to, customer acquisition bonus. Just think about it. If I'm a member, I get to buy the products at members price. If I get you and you become a member as well, ganun ka rin. You get to buy the products at members price. So technically, kung ano yung bibilhin mo, wala na dapat akong kita. But LiveGood is so generous to the point na bibigyan pa rin ako. Bibigyan ka pa rin ng kita dun sa bibilhin ng mga unang inisponsor, sa mga unang bibilhin ng mga sponsors mo, yung mga direct sponsors mo. Alright? So, what LiveGood will do, kung magkano yung binili ng sponsor na yon, nung member na yon, 10% nun, ibibigay paghahati-hatian ng mga nasa taas niya, ng mga nasa tree niya. Alright? So, ayan, as you rank up, you get to enjoy up to level 10. Ganyan po yung magiging hatian. Alright? Ito maganda. The reason why we are encouraging you to rank up all the way to Diamond, kasi si Diamond meron tinatawag na piece of the pie money or Diamond bonus pool or profit sharing. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, yung total sales ng company, whether galing subscription yan, affiliate fees, or product sales, pagsasama-samahin po yan, ito total yan, kukurot lang ng 2%. Tapos yung 2% na yan, paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng Diamond during that pay period. Alright? So let's say, for example, $15 million yung kinita ng company. Hey Mon, kaya bang kitain ng isang company yung $15 million? Yes po. Imagine, meron tayong 1.1 or 1,100,000 paid members, each paying $9.95. Times $10 na lang, that's already 11 million. Diba? Tapos we're averaging around 100,000 enrollees per month. So each of them paying $40 na lang yung affiliate fee. That's already 4 million. 11 plus 4, 15 million. So this is actually an understatement. Diba? So again, let's say for example, kumita ng 15 million si LiveGood, kumurot ng 2%, that's 300,000. Let's say for that pay period, 60 lang yung Diamonds na naghati-hati. Each of them will receive $5,000. Diba, ang ganda, wala na silang effort talaga doon. Kasi it's already the company's income na binibigyan siya ng share. Hindi niya na effort yun. Diba? Kaya yung mga Diamond natin talagang, ano sila they're very willing to help. They're very willing to assist people. Talagang they want for people to succeed. And then what else? Si Crown Diamond, the rich and famous money, Crown Diamond bonus pool. Kasi si Crown Diamond, may share na sila doon sa Diamond bonus pool. Meron pa silang additional 0.5%. Alright? And right now, as we speak, meron dadalawang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. The first is Tim Miller, who's from the US, and the second Crown Diamond in the entire planet is none other than our very own Coach Fernan Santiago. And so far, dalawa pa lang po silang Crown Diamond. Who knows, if you join now, gawin mo lahat yung mga narinig mo dito, you'll be the next Crown Diamond. So 3 na kayo. Diba? Ito maganda. You get to enjoy an additional 0.5% of the total sales of the company. So let's say 15 million again, 0.5%, that's $75,000. Dalawa lang silang naghahati. They receive $37,500 each. And is it happening? Yes. Yes, nakita nyo naman nung July, nasa 20 plus thousand na yung Crown Diamond bonus pool. Nung July pa lang yun. Ano na ngayon, nadagdagan na tayo na nadagdagan na member. Mag-July na nga uli. Alright. Now this is the beauty. This is the beauty of it. Lahat yung mga diamond na yan, lahat yung mga Crown Diamonds na yan, they all started as affiliate member, just like you and me. So we are in equal footing. Kung ano yung opportunity na bigay sa kanila, mabibigay din sa atin. Except if you're not yet a member. So I would suggest that you become a member now. Now to help you even more, para mag-decide kung magme-member ka ba o hindi, let me give you top 5 reasons. Number 1, we just officially launched, meaning baby pa po si Live Good. In fact, we are in what we consider the pillar stage. Wala pa po tayo sa pioneering stage, meaning foundation pa lang po ni Live Good yung tinatayo natin ngayon. Huwag ka ma-overwhelmed dun sa 1.1 million paid members kasi palaki lang ng palaki si Live Good. And the best time to join is now, when we're still young. Number 2, highest quality, precision grade, and very affordable health products. Just was what we need. Kaso we don't buy kasi yung ibang brands ang mamahal. This is our chance now to be healthy at the most affordable way. Alright? So become a member, become an affiliate member, and start earning as a member. And then marketing system tools and trainings. Pinakita ko na yung 5 websites kanina. Bukod dyan, meron tayong daily presentation that you could just send people in. Kami magpe-present, kami magko-close, pero sa iyo yung account. Other than that, may mga trainings tayo. Every Monday may local trainings tayo. Every Thursday US time, meron tayong US training. Friday, meron din po tayo. And if you search the YouTube, sandamukal po ang mga trainings about Live Good doon. Alright? In fact, in our team, meron din po. Meron tayong existing training headed by our very own Diamond Ferd Santiago. Alright? Kasi siya yung Diamond leader ko. Of course, we're all under the umbrella of BMW headed by Coach Fernand Santiago. And then a simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. And as I mentioned kanina, very generous pay plan. Nakita nyo naman kanina, halos pinamigay na lahat yung kita. Yeah. Now, kung kulang pa yan, check this out. Successful, fun, winning team. If you want to be successful, surround yourself with successful people. If you want to be wealthy, surround yourself with wealthy people. If you want to be happy, surround yourself with happy people. And here, you will find the wealthiest, the happiest, and the most generous people. Kaya dito talagang you will be surrounded with people you want to be with. Right? So if you haven't decided yet, decide now kasi ngayon nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang. Huwag kayo ma-overwhelm dun sa 1.1 million paid members kasi nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. Sinabi ko kanina, lalagpasan natin yung 200 million members. Baka madoble pa natin yan. Baka nga umabot pa tayo ng 500 million members eh. Pag hindi ka pa nag-join ngayon na 1.1 million members pa lang, kailan ka mag-join? Pero imagine this, what if you join now tapos umabot talaga ng 500 million yung members? Imagine nasa taas ka, ikaw lang yung magbe-benefit yan. Those who trust first are the ones who benefits first. Now, if you're already a member, if you're an affiliate already and listening to this presentation, don't let go. Pay your subscription religiously. Kasi yan po yung key natin dito. Do the business, make sure you pay your subscription. Otherwise, bibitaw ka eh. Huwag kang bumitaw. Andiyan ka na sa magandang position. Keep that position and keep it. Alright? Now, the decision is still up to you. No matter how I present, no matter what I say, ikaw pa rin ang last say. But I want to remind you that we're always faced with different decisions. In fact, nung pagising natin, nag-decide na tayo eh. Babangon na ba ako o matutulog pa ako for 5 minutes more? Diba? Doon pa lang, nag-decide na tayo. Nung bumangon tayo, nag-decide na naman tayo, di ba? Ano ba unahin ko? Maghihilamos ba muna ako or magto-toilet na ako? Mga ganon. Small decisions, but there are some decisions that can change your life for the better, can change your life for the worse, or cannot change your life. However, if you decide to do Live Good today, I'm telling you, your life will be for the better. Kasi ang dami na pong nagawa ng Live Good sa mga taong naging affiliate niya. But the decision is still up to you. So what's next? 3 decisions lang po yan. Letter A, I'm in. Okay? If you're deciding to be letter A, yung talagang gustong-gusto mo na sumali, ayoko na. Tapos na yung presentation, pasok na ako. You got me at hello. Di ba? And then, you register with your sponsor's link and then pay the $49.95, become an affiliate member, work your way up to become Crown Diamond and enjoy all the benefits. Okay? Doon sa mga nakikinig po ngayon, sino yung letter A dyan? Pakitype na lang sa chat box. Or letter B, pwede namang, yeah, I want to shop the products, pero I want the member's price. Okay lang po. You pay the $9.95 lang instead of $49.95. Become a member, enjoy the products at member's price. Or pwede rin naman C, it's not, no thanks. Okay lang din po yon. But I highly recommend for you to use the products kasi napakataas po ng quality ng products natin. Talagang life-changing siya at napaka-affordable naman ng price, even at retail price. So what you do, hingin nyo po yung shop link nung nag-invite sa inyo. Doon na lang po kayo bumili ng products natin at retail. Okay? Ngayon kung talagang hindi pa ako makapag-isip, hindi ko pa alam ang gagawin ko. So let me just show you this. This can be you today. You can be overworked, underpaid. You can be financially unsecured. Or pwede rin naman paid well ka pero wala kang time for your family. Or you can be an OFW away from your family. Nangungulila ka sa pamilya mo tsaka alam mo na nangungulila yung pamilya mo sa iyo. Now the question is, what awaits you when you retire? Kasi these are all active income. If you don't have a passive income, if you're not able to earn while you sleep, you'll work for the rest of your life. But remember, when you retire, you stop working. Now imagine, make a vivid picture of that. Kung napapangitan ka na doon sa mangyayari sa yung napipicture mo, I want you to imagine this one. Imagine if you do Live Good, where will you be in the coming years? Kasi ito nangyayari na sa karamihan ng mga affiliate na talagang seryosong ginagawa yung negosyo. They have more income than bills at the end of each month. Gusto mo ba yun? Hindi mo na po problemahin yung mga due date. Hindi mo na po problemahin yung mga bills mo. Kasi alam mo na kayang-kaya mong bayaran. Or would you like to have a life without debt? Wala kang pagkakautang. Tsaka lahat ng binibili mo, you pay in cash. And ang maganda nito, if you're debt-free, then you'll be more generous. It would be easy for you to give. Right? You'll have more time spent with your family and friends. Yes, not only time freedom, you'll also have financial freedom. And ang maganda nito, quality time yung mabibigay mo. Hindi yung nandun ka nga kung ano-ano naman iniisip mo. Kasi stress-free ka, worry-free ka. And you'll have the freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Dito nga ang tanungan, where do you want to work today? In fact, yung mga diamonds natin, kaya wala dito si Coach Fernan kasi he's working sa isang resort together with other diamonds. And you can do that. You cannot do that on active income, on employment. If you're an OFW, hindi mo kayang gawin yan. If you have your own business, baka nagbabakasyon ka, iniisip mo rin, baka kinukupitan ng kahera ko yung negosyo ko. Di ba? Dito worry-free ka. Kasi alam mo, papasok lang yung income mo eh. Kahit mawala ka ng 2 buwan, you know very well that income is coming in. So that's why you can take vacation as often as you want. Now, if you want to have that kind of life, do Live Good. Because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. All right? I really hope that I brought value to you to this presentation. And I would like to thank you for staying in until the end of the presentation. Sana may nakuha kayong value and sana balikan nyo yung nag-invite sa inyo at sabihin nyo, I'm in. Letter A ako, sasali ako, mag-affiliate member ako. turuan mo ko, sabay natin gawin yung negosyo. If that's you, that's your attitude, then welcome to Live Good. Congratulations for making that decision, and I really hope to see you at the top one day. Again, it has been my pleasure to share with you this business presentation. I hope I brought value to you, and I really hope to see you one day as one of our affiliates and become one of our leaders as well. It's been my pleasure. This is Mon Reyes saying goodbye.
Goodbye.